On your next building project, why not consider personalizing a tile or two? Now that's a cool idea. Starting with the artwork, I chose an African theme, and after compiling it, I saved it as a DXF file. Then, I used the fiber laser machine to do the engraving. Now for the settings, I went with speed 1000 with my power on 80 and my frequency on 30. And because I wanted the color to blend into the design of the tile itself as much as possible, I only used one pass. If I wanted to, I could use two passes to make it more prominent. But I left it as it is so it can kind of fade into the texture of the tile itself. See what I was talking about the blending into the tile itself? I kinda liked it. And there you have it, a personal touch and a dash of style to add to your next building project. And how about you? Do you have any cool ideas? Just give us a call and we'll hook you up with a video.